Yeah. I might get some points.
Hello.
You on that Instagram shit, shine that shit, nigga. The camera get on me, hey. Shame on you when I come out. You see? Don't tell this motherfucking nigga shit when I come out, nigga. I'm a cheerleader. Look, I got these niggas around this bitch with that cash, nigga. My down now was better. If I don't got this nigga, he don't pay me a motherfucking thing. I'm a cheerleader. Look, I got these niggas around this bitch with that cash, nigga. I'm a cheerleader. Small block, nigga.
Yeah.
Hey, we here. Motherfucking simmer down to the front. Simmer down to the front. Shout out to my SA King 1 2. Hey, man. Say, we gonna eat chicken and do it tonight, goddammit. What I go do, Quentin?
Picked it up.
What I do, Quentin?
Picked it up.
Don't say a motherfucker.
Got that bad ass. You know he got
Don't
that.
say
Okay.
Quentin. Be quiet, nigga. Don't tell this motherfucking nigga shit when I come out, nigga. I'm a cheerleader.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.